Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this short video I'll show to you guys how you can download Steam application in order to play games on your Windows computer. This video will be done on Windows 11 but the steps are pretty much the same on Windows 10. So in order to play games on Windows PC, one of the ways is to download Steam, and over there we can find games which are for free and games that we can buy and play them on PC. So in order to download Steam, you just have to open a browser and then you search here Steam download, and then you'll see the official website of Steam, which in this case is this one, store.steampower.com. I'll put the link on the description below so you can come directly on this page where you can download Steam. So here we are. Steam is the ultimate destination for playing, discussing and creating games. So you can download this also in Mac if you are interested, but in this case we are on Windows, so directly we'll click over this button here which says install Steam, and we can see that the logo of Windows is here, which means that there is no separation between Windows 10, Windows 11 or Windows 7, so it's only one setup file that you can use for every kind of Windows that you are using. So let's click over install Steam, and the setup is pretty small. It will download very quick, and once it's downloaded you just double click on it in order to install. Do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? Yes. Welcome to Steam setup. We'll just click over next. We don't have to spend time on that. And now you need to select the language that you want this application to be. In this case it's going to be English, and we click over next. Now you have to specify the destination folder where it's going to be installed Steam. In my case, I'll just skip the default one, which is this one, C program files / Steam. If you want to change, you just click over browse and then you specify where you want to install Steam. Once you are done, you just click over install. So here we are. Now the setup is installed. We click over finish and we select run Steam in order to start right away Steam application on my PC. Now it will pop up this window which is saying updating Steam. It will download those updates before Steam will be up and running. So after the updates have been installed for Steam, now we have this possibility to sign in directly on Steam, or if you don't have an account, you click over create a free account and it will redirect you to this page of Steam where you can create an account. In my case, I don't have yet an account, and I will just show you quickly how to create an account if you don't have also an account on Steam. So once you fill the details over here, then you select I am 30 years old of age or older and I agree to Steam subscriber agreement. You press over continue. I am 60 years old of age or older. It's important to specify the age. Now we have to open the email address and to confirm, verify my email address, email verified. Now we go back once again to the Steam application on the PC and we specify the Steam account name. I'll just name it Learn Tech. Okay, Learn Tech 1. Now we choose the password. Done. New account created successfully. Continue. So these are the steps that you need to do in order to create a free account on Steam, but if you already have an account on Steam, you just sign in like I'm doing right now. So you write the account name, which is in this case LearnTech1. You write the password and you press over sign in, connecting to Steam. And here we are. Now it will show that my account is online. Here you can search your friends and you can check if they are online, or etc, etc. If you want to see which games you can play on your PC, you click over store, and then over here you can see all the games that you can play. You can see also over here the prices. So for example, this one has 60% discount, etc, etc. But you can also select over free games and it will show you the free games that you can play on Steam. So let's suppose that you want to play this one, just click over it and then you follow the steps that you need to do in order to play the game. So I will just select play game, for example, here now, and now it will install Apex Legends, for example, in your PC. And the steps are pretty easy actually, but This is the main part where you have to download first Steam and then you can play around and find which applications you want on your PC. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to play games on your computer by using Steam, and you can use this video to play games on Windows 7, Windows 8, 10 and 11. Thanks a lot for watching and please consider subscribing to our channel. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.